Right, so these are the new tie rods. So if you look, part of the boot rests on this thing right here. And in order to get the boot off, we have to force it off this way. And it should pop right out. And this is where that locking metal bracket was originally. And here's the actual part that we're going to thread into the steering rack. So if you look right here, you can see here's the steering rack, here's the boot pushed all the way down, and there is that locking. All right, so we're gonna get that locking tab off now and get out on the other side. What we have here's where that shaft threads in. Up on top are these locking tabs. It's a washer that's basically been hammered over, if you can see. We're gonna hammer that out and begin turning this tie rod off. Now that the locking tabs have been hammered back, we're going to use a tie rod is off. Okay, now I need to measure it so that it's the same length. So that.
Oh, you take it out while it's gone?
Yeah, I just took it out. Now I have the washer. I flattened out. I'm gonna put this back on. Is it index anywhere, or is it just like? You wanna give me that tie rod that I set up? Not that one. The other one. Not that one. It should be that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this only goes on one way, and then it flattens over, and then. Did you tighten it enough? Oh my god. Wait. I need to bend this, like, so that it can turn in. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't do it on the box, man.
I don't want to damage the threads.
It just fell off, you know, right?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
I'm so pissed. Oh, I can turn a lot more.
I mean, not when you have the actual like
Yeah, it's fine.
tire on.
It's fine. Okay. I need to remeasure this. I know what to do now.
Is it threading in now?
Yeah, it's like right now. Since it's rear-wheel drive, it's gonna be interesting.
I thought I was in neutral, but I was actually second.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Whatever. Okay, ready? I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, back it up. Go, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, stop.